Android devices have a lot of customization features, and one of those is changing or adjusting the text size. As we get older, our eyesight often gets worse, and being able to adjust the size of the text on our devices is a very useful feature. If you want to know how to do it, keep on watching. If you're having trouble with the size of the text showing on the screen of your Android phone or tablet, there are a few options you can adjust to make it easy to read. First of all, open Settings on your phone. Then scroll down and select Accessibility. Under the Display section of the Accessibility menu, you'll find Font Size. Use the slider at the bottom to decrease or increase the size of the text. Slide left to make it smaller, and slide right to make it larger. You can see the changes in the sample text displayed on the device. The other option that you can also adjust is Display Size. This can change the size of items on your display to make them smaller or larger. Go back to the Accessibility menu and then select Display Size. Again, use the slider to adjust the size of the items on the screen to a more comfortable size. So that's how you adjust the text and display sizes on your Android device. For more accessibility features, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.